Everyone on the island of Sodor was excited. They were building a new elephant park. Vehicles of all sizes were working very hard. But the most excited and hard-working train was Thomas. The day before the grand opening, Sir Topham Hatt had called a meeting. Thomas had finished all of his jobs early.
Ah, good, you're all here. Now, as you all know, the new elephant park is nearly finished, and the grand opening is tomorrow. I need an engine to take the last but most important piece, the elephant statue.
I'll do it, sir. I've already finished all of my jobs today.
Excellent, Thomas, but you must be careful. It's fragile, it's expensive, it's gone. Where has my statue gone?
Tom Moss took it, sir, but don't worry, I'll get it back.
Hurry, Thomas, but be careful.
Hurry up and finish your work, Gator. Thomas, don't be so impatient. You'll cause an accident. Aha! I've trapped you now, Thomas. You have nowhere to go. I'll take that. Now I need to hurry to the elephant park as fast as I can. I can't wait for it to be finished. Don't rush, Thomas. You'll cause an accident. No, I won't. I'll be fine. Thomas was racing around Sodor to get to the new park as fast as he could. Whoa, watch out, Thomas, you'll cause an accident. Oh no, what has Tom Moss found? He's found a jet engine. Don't turn it on, Tom Moss. Tom Moss turned it on. As Thomas was steaming towards the park, the jet engine was catching him up. When suddenly, it hit Thomas. Thomas couldn't slow down. Oh dear, I knew Thomas would cause an accident. When Thomas reached the new elephant park, the elephant statue launched into the air and crashed into the lake. Oh no, what have I done? The statue's stuck in the lake. Now the park's definitely not going to be finished on time. Later that afternoon, Sir Topham Hatt was very angry with Tom Moss.
Every engine on the island has worked very hard to finish building the elephant park, and you have ruined it. I'm going to have to cancel the grand opening, and it's all your fault.
For once, Tom Moss felt terrible. The next day, Thomas could hear a lot of noise coming from the new elephant park, so he went to check it out. Thomas couldn't believe his eyes.
I now declare the new elephant park officially open.
But I thought the opening was cancelled.
It was, Thomas, but it turns out everyone loves the elephant in the lake, even if it was a mistake. Now, who's going to help me get off this rock?
Hey guys, Chris here. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to Toy Trains for You if you haven't already. Hope to see you soon. Bye.